So let's first understand the hazard. So what is hazard? So basically, a potential source of harm or adverse health effect on a person, property, or environment. So any source of harm that has potential to cause harm to people, property, or environment is called hazard. Now, let's look at another definition. Here it says a situation, condition, or object that has the potential to cause harm, injury, illness, or death to the people, property, or the environment. So basically here in this definition, we elaborate the source of the harm. It can be condition, situation, or any object. So any situation, condition, or object that has the potential to cause us harm, to cause the harm to the property or environment is called the hazards. Let's look at few of the examples. So let's first example, fall from the height. It can be due to the unprotected edges. You are working on unsafe roof, scaffolding, you are working on the scaffold, it may collapse, etc. The next is the slip and trip hazard. So maybe the floor you are walking on is slippery due to the leakage, due to the water, or maybe there is a bad housekeeping, equipment, tools, cables are scattered around and you are walking through. So it can cause slip and trip hazard. Then there is electrical hazard. Maybe there are power cables, you can touch them, exposed or damaged wires, connections, etc. Overloaded circuits, then faulty electrical equipment you are using. So these all can cause electrical hazard. It may electrocute you or can cause other effects. Then heavy equipments are the hazards. Maybe someone is driving them unsafely, or faulty equipment, maybe it brake fail at etc. So it may crush you, it can cause you different types of harms to you. So heavy equipments are another hazard. Then it comes the noise. Noise is a hazard. It has two types of effects, direct and indirect effects. So indirect means you are working in a noisy area and there is a warning call for you, but due to the noise you are distracted and you cannot hear it. So, and the direct consequences are health issues. So high noise can cause the temporary loss or permanent loss of hearing, listening. So maybe, so this is another hazard. Then the caught in or caught between mechanical hazard, maybe there is a moving parts of the machinery equipment, gearboxes, chains, conveyor belts like. So maybe your hand can entangle or can caught in between them. Your clothes can, even some heavy equipment or objects rolling around, they can crush you. So this is another hazard. Then the struck by the objects, maybe moving objects like of the parts of equipment, machinery like boom of the crane can hit you. So these are all hazards. Then comes the heat stress, heat health effects in the high heat or extreme temperatures. Maybe you can be dehydrated, so you can bear the consequences of adverse weather. So these are few examples I have given to you, so you can understand them better.